Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Dart programming series. If you missed up day 1, no worries, you can still catch up. Today we are running our very first Dart program and we will do it all in Brother using something called DartPad. No setup, no installation, just code. What is DartPad? DartPad is an online tool by the Dart team that lets you write and run that code directly in your Brother. Perfect for beginner. Let us go direct to our DartPad. If just you write in your Brother DartPad.dev, you'll be able to see it from here. You'll see the DartPad and it's what we shall be using. It's here. Let's clear so that we can start our journey and start understand everything how it's working. Let's start writing our first code in that void main void main prints something like hello world, then we close. Let's try to understand what it is. This is the classic hello world program, but in that you should know that. Let's break it down. Void main is the main function, the starting point of every Dart program. The curly bracket contains the body of the function. The print hello world that we are seeing here is the print text to the console. Now let us click run and look at the console on the right. Boom, you've just written your first Dart program. Think and see here, hello world. We can also add print as many as we want. Let us say welcome to Dart. Yeah, something like that. And run. I think you can see that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Welcome to that. So you can see welcome to that. So you can try to print many as you want. What if you remove that semicolon? Let's try it. Boom, that error. I think you can see that needs semicolon at the end of each statement. You should have a semicolon. So we wrote our first Dart program. We used DartPad, no setup required. We learned about main and print. I think you understand your first Dart program. Don't worry, this is our day 2. You'll understand more. I think you saw also how that shows errors. Clearly, I think you saw it. So I explained about what is the void main. This is what you should understand in this part, this series, that void main is the main function, the starting point of every Dart program. So you'll be using it every time you'll be using. Curly braces contain the body of the function, and then the print text to the console. It means that this is printing, is telling it to go to the console, like what you can see now. So I think you saw the running button. It now runs our program or our code. So you can print as many as you want. That is what for today, guys. Let's catch up in the third video, our day 2. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe This is a very big journey we're going to finish up together. We shall learn that. After that, we shall go direct to Flutter so that you can start working on a mobile application, Android, it may all cross-platform. We shall start also web with that. We shall also start try to make some desktop application with Flutter. So be with me here, stay with me here, and trust me, you won't regret. You'll learn a lot from me and you'll understand more. Thank you so much for this video.